One day, a giant turtle was climbing up a hill under the blazing sun. Oh, a turtle is struggling to climb up the hill.
Ah, hills are the worst. But I'm not giving up that easily.
Slowly but surely, the turtle continued to climb. Moo! What is this suspicious-looking sheep about to do? Moo! Did the sheep just copy the cow's moo? Moo! Oh no! The cow has lost its food and is now furious.
Moo! Moo!
The sheep and the cow both run even faster.
What is that? Too dizzy. Oh my goodness!
Turtle, are you all right?
Help! Is anybody there?
The turtle shouts at the top of its lungs, but no one answers. The exhausted turtle gives up and hides inside its shell. Oh, another friend has shown up. Wow, that's really cool.
Moo!
Kiki, if I were you, I would run for my life. Kiki, watch out! Oh no! Kiki's egg fell into the turtle's shell.
Quack, quack.
It looks like the duck thinks Kiki's egg is hers.
Quack, quack. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
How cute. But I think you guys are mistaken. The adorable chicks think the duck is their mother.
Cheep, cheep, cheep. Meow.
Meow. There's my lunch. What should we do? The cat wants to eat the chicks. Somebody help! The dog, the police officer of the forest, follows after the cat. Perhaps he's trying to protect the chicks. The turtle's shell is now full of all kinds of animals.
Quack, quack. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Meow. Quack, quack.
Why is it so loud in here? Who are you guys?
As the turtle's voice booms, the golden egg begins to shine brightly.
Quack.
The quack-quack duck loves children very much, just like our parents.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
The chicks are covered with a fluffy yellow down. They are young, but they will soon be chickens with beautiful combs, not ducks.
Meow. I have beautiful eyes like diamonds and razor-sharp claws.
Wow! Luckily, the dog saved the chick. The dog is always brave and energetic.
Meow.
Oh, everyone be quiet!
The turtle has had enough and commands silence.
How dare you make noise when a lion is passing by? Turtle, you are in trouble. Ah! What is that loud sound? Be careful, everyone!
It's a lion! A lion is here!
Woof, woof,
Quack.
woof, woof.
Meow. Quack, quack. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Sweet golden egg, it's my turn to help. It was nice to meet you. Thanks to your glow, I was able to see everyone. I'll see you next time.
What should we do? The owl took the golden egg to its nest. Poor thing. KiKi is desperately looking for the golden egg. Unfortunately, KiKi can't climb up the tree. It needs the help of a friend. Moo! It's the cow we saw this morning. I think the cow wants to help KiKi find the golden egg. Maybe it wants to apologize for bumping into KiKi earlier.
Hoot, hoot, hoot.
Today, the golden egg made many animal friends. It started its journey by both helping and sometimes getting help. What will happen to KiKi and the golden egg?